Hello, I'm Sean from amomii, and in this video I'm going to be introducing some of the 3D printable assets that come with the Mini Grand Mega Kit. The Mini Grand Mega Kit comes with a case, but we also included the STL so you could 3D print your own. For example, if you want to print it in a different color, or even just print one of the components in a different color and mix it up. And from time to time, there are new cases available, like this retro one. You also get all of the 3D printables that come with the amomii Uno. For example, this prototyping box, which is print in place and has an active button that you can clip, and it pops your case right open. Inside of here, there is the Uno case, which is also print in place, which clips open like this and can be spun around and clipped like that and put back in. And the bits box, where you can keep small components such as push buttons and LEDs and resistors, and you can put that in the box like that. That's about it. Bye.